got a new toy. So Saturday I sold my 250cc scooter. Bought this for 900 bucks. It's for some rich kid in Egg Harbor. He said that he got it out after sitting all winter, rode it about a mile down the road and quit on him, and he didn't want to deal with it. So I picked it up thinking, maybe it'll be easy, right? Get it home, splash some fuel in the intake, fire it off. Perfect. I had jump started, the battery was dead. Got down the road, it died on me again. And come to find out, the charging system is not working. So started digging into it, and the further I dig, the more I find that someone's been in here already. They've already replaced a regulator rectifier set, because I can tell because it's new and the wires are new. And they've been splicing into some of the wires for the stator. So I've done the stator check, the three-phase stator wire. I ohmed out the wires to ground each one of them, all three legs, and I've done a resistance check between each of them, and they've all got continuity. However, it's still not putting enough voltage to charge the battery up. So I am taking apart the cover here to take a look at the stator to see what kind of condition it's in. I am not sure if they've replaced it or not chasing this. It doesn't look like it. I thought they might have because of the splicing here. But a new stator assembly comes with a whole new harness, and it wouldn't look like this. So I'm thinking that I'm probably going to end up having to get a new stator. So I'm going to tear this down the rest of the way. These are 8mm bolts to hold this cover on, and then I've got my motorcycle propped up against the table here, and I'm going to pull this whole foot peg. Oh, that's loose too. Jesus. This thing was missing all kinds of bolts. The battery tray was only held in by like a little screw that wasn't even tied in there. So someone's done a kind of a half-assed job putting this thing back together. So I'm kind of glad I've ended up tearing into it. So I'm going to continue tearing this apart and get this stator cover off. Alright, got the cover off, stator's there, and based on what I'm seeing, I don't think this thing's ever been replaced. So everything else checks out good. I think this is going to be my next step, so I'm going to work on getting this out of here, getting the wiring out from the frame, and then I'm going to order up a new stator and slap that in and see how she does. Alright, I was finally able to get the stator out of here with the help from a friend of mine. The screws are pretty tough to get out of here. I think they were either Loctited or just in there really tight, so I'm probably going to need to replace a couple of them. But I got a new one coming, and it's going to be here in about a week. So for now, this is probably going to be it. I made a rudimentary kind of stand to prop the motorcycle up on. I'll work on getting the gasket material off while I'm waiting, but for this video, that's going to be it. I'll do a continuation when I get the new stator on the reassembly, but in the meantime, I'll probably do a couple quick ones. I gotta pull my foot pegs off here. These are all loosey-goosey on both sides. I want to tighten those up. There's a couple other things I'll probably want to make short videos on, and see if I can get them all fixed up before the stator gets here. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it very, very much, and we'll see you next time.